Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's project, as you can see, I'll be showing you how I made this unicorn summer top. For this project, I've used the mandala yarn, and it's a number 3. There it is, it's a number 3. And it's called unicorn. It's not focusing. Unicorn, that's it now. So that's why I'm calling it the unicorn summer top. Now for this pattern, this project, I am not going to give a tutorial. I'm going to have the pattern for sale on my site. I'll leave all the information in the description below. And it's very simple. It's on the shell stitch. As you can see, the shell stitch. And I have double crochets, 2 double crochets in the middle. And after the shell stitch, the other row, the shell stitch and the other row are the 2 pattern rows for this blouse project. And the stitches after the row after the shell stitch will be back post double crochets, as you can see, back post, and then there's a V-stitch in the middle, because the shell stitch is comprised of 5 double crochets. So the next row will be 1 back post double crochet in each of the first 2 double crochets, and the third double crochet we'll have the V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in that third stitch, and then 1 back post double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then we're going to have 1 chain, and then we're going to have 2 double crochets in a group, and we're going to have a chain 1 and we move back to the shell stitch, and so on. And this will be the pattern rows for this blouse. So for the pattern rows, you make it as long as you would like your blouse to be, and the top, as you can see, is of the shoulder top, and it's the breezy fashion that is now going. And you have the bottom portion of the arm hole, and around the neck of the top we have a row of single crochets all the way across, and at the back I have I made a crochet button, and I made a chain 5 as the buttonhole, and just slip right over the button like this, and just simply put it back over, and you have your buttonhole. It's a very, very simple pattern, and I'll have all the details of how you can get the written pattern. I think it turned out nicely. And I've ended on the first row of the pattern rows, which is row 1, which is just the 5 double crochets in each, in the in the chain 1 space of the previous row, because it has a nice, you know, curve at the bottom. So I just left that as the last row. But if you want a row of single crochet, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, this is the back view of the blouse. I simply continue on with the single crochets and down the few rows and then back up, and then continue on straight up to the other side of the other sleeve neck area. You're gonna have the first few rows open up to allow for this button closure. I'm gonna come all the way down. I made 30 rows in all to get the length that I required for this top. Of course, you can go as many rows as you prefer, as you would like for your top as well. It's very simple, very easy, and I think it turned out nicely. I hope you have been inspired to do something similar. Please like this video. Please share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. In that way you would be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.